my daddy just boiled some Easter eggs and he put in food colouring in them. Let's check how they look like.
What food color I put in it?
Green.
Does it look green?
No.
Second one.
This is
to you.
mine. I used
So what food color you put on this one?
red. Epic fail for this one because it kind of looks like black and brown. Okay, we just did some research and turns out we need one more ingredient. So we're going to get it and you will find out what it is very, very, very soon. We're here to our secret ingredient and that is vinegar. We need vinegar for this. So to remove the colour of the egg to turn it to white, ask a parent to put some vinegar into a bowl.
Okay.
Then slide your egg into the bowl. Daddy, look inside. The shells are coming off.
Yeah, that's because the vinegar we have is reacting with the shell and it's making the shell slowly dissolve. We leave the egg in the vinegar whole day. You know what will happen?
No.
The shell will dissolve completely.
After you have made your eggs lighter, it's time to do the colour mixture. When you do the colour mixture, always ask a parent for help. So ask your dad or mum to fill up a glass of water with hot water. Then ask them to put 3 teaspoons of vinegar. And then we will put in the colouring. After you made your colour mixture, it's time to put in the... Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Remember to not fill it up fully because then when you put the eggs in, it will spin. Okay.
Carefully. Okay, you want me to help?
Yes.
That's it. Now we wait.
400 minutes.
15 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Minutes starting now.
Good morning. Yesterday we waited 15 minutes, but my dad and me decided to wait overnight because the eggs were kind of light. So it's the next day today, and now we're going to check. Are you ready, Daddy?
Yes, I'll be ready. Tan, tan, tan.
Oh!
Oh, wow. It does seem to record the color.
Wow! My dad.
Even this is okay, nice.
Wow.
Wow, look
Mine
at
is the best.
Yeah, look at this.
And that's how you colour your Easter eggs. And remember to not touch the hot water or the vinegar. Ask your grown-up or your parent to help. And remember to colour some Easter eggs today. And just one. Bye!